Started the topic of change of order under the heading of multiple integral. And the topic which we were doing that was change of order. In the yesterday's class, we were there. Uh, we were solving the questions of changing the order of integration in this double integral, that is 0 to a and y to a, that is x dx dy upon x square plus y square, and hence evaluate the same. This was the question which we were doing in the yesterday's class, and we have plotted the figure, and the given region of integration is denoted by r. This is in xy plane, where these are the limits of x. Just see, these are the limits in y. So in y variable, these are the limits of x, and the limits of y are 0 to a. So we can plot this y equal to x. That will be the line y equal to x, and x is equal to a is this. If we have x equal to a this point, so this is the point of intersection, and this is point AA. The second one is y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 is x-axis, and y is equal to a is a line passing through this point. This is y is equal to a. And I had told to you that for the limits of x, we always move through the vertical stripe from left to right. And for the limits of y, we always move from down to up with this vertical stripe. Sorry, that was your horizontal stripe. For the horizontal stripe, we take the limits for x left to right, and for the vertical stripe, we denote the limits of y variable from down to up. This was your new the given region of integration. In this, we have to evaluate with respect to x first, then with respect to y. But as you know, we have to change the order. So the new region of integration is r dash, and your limits of y should be in variable. So down to up. Down to up mean at this point y is 0, and at this point y is equal to x. So the limits of y in variable x are 0 to x, and for the limits of x, that is from left to right. So from 0 to this point a, these are the limits of x. And now you can evaluate the integral. Your integral was 0 to a and y to a. This was x dx dy upon x square plus y square. And as we have to change the order, so 0 to a limits of x, and 0 to x will be the limits of y, and you will integrate with respect to y first. So it means you have to integrate with respect to y, keeping x constant, and these are the limits of y. So dy over x square plus y square, by the formula, that will be 1 over constant, that is x, tangent inverse y by x, and your limits are 0 to x dx. Now 0 to a, that is x. For upper limit x, you will have 1 by x tangent inverse. X over x comes out to be 1, tangent inverse 1. And for lower limit 0, 1 by x, tangent inverse is 0 over x. So tangent inverse 0 dx. And we all know that tangent inverse 0 is always 0. You will have 0 to a x into 1 by x, tangent inverse 1 is pi by 4 into dx. This term will vanish because tangent inverse 0 is always 0. X is removed here, pi by 4, integration of x is there. So pi by 4a. This is your evaluation by changing the order of integration. And we stopped at the point when we are evaluating the original integral 0 to a and y to a x dx dy over x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. और मैंने कहा था कि हम लोग ओरिजिनल जो गिवन इंटीग्रल है उसको अगर एज इट इज करके देखें और चेक करें कि उसकी वैल्यू भी इतनी आनी चाहिए, तो वो वेरिफिकेशन कर रहे थे. तो इन द ओरिजिनल इंटीग्रल यू नीड टू इंटीग्रेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स फर्स्ट, एंड यू जस्ट सी मल्टीप्लाई विद 2 कर दीजिए और 1/2 कर दीजिए, so that you can apply the formula of integration log x square plus y square, and the limits are y to a dy. Now for upper limit a, you will have log of a square plus y square minus for lower limit y square plus y square, that is a log of 2y square into dy. Now you can apply the formula of log m minus log n. So that will be log m over n. So a square plus y square upon 2y square into dy. And we stopped here. So how to do further? For integrating it, you will take a logarithmic function as first part and 1 as second part. यहाँ पर हम into 1 कर देते हैं by integration with parts के लिए. Integration by parts करने जा रहे हैं. तो first function log of a square plus y square over 2y square as it is into integral of 1 is y. Remember, we are integrating with respect to y, and the limits are 0 to a minus 0 to a. Derivative of this term, log का derivative होता है 1 upon a square plus y square over 2y square into dy of a square plus y square over 2y square into 1 का integral, that is y dy. So now you need to find out the derivative of this term. इसका derivative हम लोग separately find कर लेते हैं. So that is the u over v formula, 2y square whole square and v as it is into derivative of u, that is 2y minus u as it is into derivative of v, that is 2 into 2, 4y. Now let us solve here. So 2 2s are 4 y cube minus 4 a square y minus, this is minus sign, minus 4 y cube. So 4y cube, 4y cube cancel. Here we have 2 square is 4 y 4. So 1 y from here can be removed with this. So now you can put the limit. Put the limit first here. For upper limit a in place of y, so for a you will have a square plus a square, that is a log of 2a square over 2a square, क्योंकि हम लोग y की जगह पर लिमिट भर रहे हैं, into a. This is for upper limit, and for lower limit 0, log of this into 0, that come out to be 0. And here you will have 0 to a, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर से ऊपर चला जाएगा, so it will become 2y square upon a square plus y square into इसका डेरिवेटिव है, that is minus 4a square over 4 can also be cancelled, so you can remove 4 here. So ultimately you will have minus a square over y cube into this y is there, that is the dy. Now you see 1/2, 2a square cancel. So log of 1 is always 0. So 0 into a will be 0, and this is minus minus plus. So y square can be cancelled with here. So you will have one y, and that y will also be cancelled with this y. So ultimately that comes out to be a square common 0 to a dy over a square plus y square. So 1 by 2 into a square is there. Now integrate with respect to y, you will have 1 over a tangent inverse y by a, and the limits are 0 to a. So 1 by 2 a square. For upper limit, we will have 1 by a tangent inverse a by a, that is 1, minus 1 by a tangent inverse 0. And tangent inverse 0 is always 0. And tangent inverse 1 is pi by 4, and 1a is also cancelled. Sorry. One more thing is there. Here we have 2. Remember, ये rectify करिए, यहाँ पर 2 miss हो गया. So that is 2 here, and that 2 will be cancelled with this 2. So this 2 need not to be taken, and you will have a, and tangent inverse 1 is pi by 4. So pi by 4a. Now you see this value is the same as this value. So this was we were doing in the previous class. So this is by change of order of integration. Now one more important example is by changing the order of integration, evaluate 0 to 4a and x square upon 4a to 2 square root ax dy dx. Now we need to evaluate by changing the order of integration. So the given region of integration is x, y. These are the limits in x. So clearly these are the limits of y. So lower limit x over 4a less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2 square root ax. And these are the limits of x, that is 0 to 4a. Now let us try to find out the curve. When y equal to this curve, that is x square over 4a, and this curve is x square is equal to 4ay. So this curve can be plotted. And this is the upward parabola, if you see. So plot this curve. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is your upward parabola. X square is equal to 4ay, and similarly y equal to 2 square root ax will give you, squaring both sides, you will have y square is equal to 4ax by taking squaring both sides, and that is your right-handed parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. So now this is the point of intersection which we require, and x equal to 0 is on y-axis and x equal to 4a. So obviously this point should be 4a. Let us check the cross intersection of these two parabolas. Cross intersection find करने के लिए आप y की value, this one, this is y, put here. So x square over 4a whole square is equal to 4ax. So x4 over 16a square is equal to 4ax. So this can be written as x4 minus 64a cube x equal to 0. X can be taken common. X cube minus 4 a cube is equal to 0. So either x is 0 and x is equal to, we will have 4a. This one cube root निकलेगा 4, 64 का cube root 4a. So these are the points x equal to 0 and x equal to 4a. Now you can put x equal to 0 in the curve. When x equal to 0, y equal to x square over 4a will give y equal to 0. And when x equal to 4a, this curve y equal to this will give 16a square over 4a, that is 4a. So the point is this one 4a 4a, and this point is origin, that is 0 0. Now this is the area which we have to evaluate the total integral over this region. So for the limits of x we need horizontal stripe, and for the limits of y we need vertical stripe. And as we know we have to change the order. So given में देखें तो y से इंटीग्रल पहले है, अब जो न्यू रीजन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करना है उसमें x पहले आना चाहिए. So for the new region of integration, the new region of integration is denoted by r dash, that is xy, and the limits of x will be from left to right. Left to right. So left at this curve, the value of x will be y square over 4a. So y square over 4a 2, and the value of x at this curve, at this point, from this point, x will be, x square मूव करेंगे तो राइट साइड पर जाकर के स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएगा, दैट विल बी square root of 4ay, and the limits of y will be, that is 0 to 4a. It is what obvious, 0 to this point 4a. So this is the new region of integration, and now we can evaluate the integral dy dx. This was given to us. This was your given integral, double integral, and your new region of integration is r dash, in which you will integrate with respect to x first, then with respect to y, and the limits of x are y square over 4a, and इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 2 square root a y, and limits of y are 0 to 4a. So let us integrate with respect to x first. dx का integral बन जाता है x, and you can use the limits y square over 4a and 2 square root ay dy. Now 0 to 4a, use upper limit 2 square root ay minus lower limit y square over 4a dy. Now we all know we have to integrate with respect to y now. So for integral with respect to y, 2 square root a यहाँ पर आ गया और square root y. Square root y मीन y raised to power 1 by 2. उसका इंटीग्रल बना y raised to power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus y cube over 3 fours are 12. Limits are 0 to 4. Now this is simple integral. Now we just need to substitute the value of the limits. 2 will become in the, go in the numerator, and it become 2 twos are 4 over 3 square root a. Put the value in place of y, that is 4a raised to power 3 by 2 minus 4a cube over 12a. For lower limit 0, both the values will be 0. Now 4 by 3 square root a, and इसको हम सेपरेट सेपरेट सॉल्व करते हैं. 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 स्क्वायर रेज टू पावर 3 by 2 into a raised to power 3 by 2 minus 4 cube is 64 a cube over 12a. 1a is cancelled, and this is 4 threes are and 4 16s. So that is 2, 1 is cancelled here. 2 cube is 8. 8 fours are 32 over 3. A raised to power 1 by 2, a raised to power 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, a square minus 16 by 3, a square. Now it is clear. The subtraction will give you 16 by 3, a square. So this is the required evaluation of a given double integral by changing the order of integration. Changing the order of integration mean, I am repeating this step again, जहां पर आपको दिया है कि y से इंटीग्रेट पहले करना और x से बाद में, लेकिन आप ओरिजिनली इन द क्वेश्चन you will integrate with respect to x first, then with respect to y, and accordingly the limits will change. So this is all about the topic of changing the order of integration. बस ऐसे ही आपने you need to change the order and evaluate the double integrals. So we shall continue in the next class. Thank you very much.